Hello world! The question of who we are is something that we all ask ourselves, and frankly we never stop. We search of our sense of self in everything and everyone that we can, whether it's by joining a cause or by searching for the right career or relationship. We look for our identity in our culture, our family, our friends, and society. We want to know who we are, why we are here, and we want to know that we matter. These needs of ours can cause us to attach ourselves to a person and create expectations of them that are unhealthy and unrealistic, which can lead to codependency, where we attach our happiness and our identity to another person and we stop growing as an individual and taking responsibility for our own life. We start making them responsible for who we want from the other person, that we stop investing in ourselves, that put too much stress on the relationship, like two people hanging from the same branch of a tree, waiting for it to be the other person's fault for why it breaks. When you recognize that you are in fact responsible for your own growth, then you are able to grow alongside someone that is doing the same. This allows you to become stronger and better, able to support each other through the many storms in life as you become deeply rooted together. To become better than one, instead of searching an identity, you stand tall and proud because you have put the work into becoming the best you that you can. By Joel Clemons. This post of Anna it caption, everything changes when you realize that the best version of yourself is not the future one but a daily choice. It also take a quote, you have what it takes, stand in that, own that, believe that, trust that, lean into that. While it recommend being your realest, weirdest, and hottest self instead of trying to be everyone's cup of tea. In here, as to what Anna friend's saying, I made another client addicted to training, and you know guys, it was Anna.
Kolejny trening, na który Ama nie mogła się doczekać. Uzależnienie?
No, jak się wpada w taką rutynę swoją, to brakuje.
When Anna do some push-up as to chest exercise.
Klatki nie można pomijać, robimy rozpiętki, brzuch napięty, spięte łopatki, otwieramy i przytulamy.
You can do it, Anna. Imagine it was your problem that you want to have a solution for it, as you are doing your squat with something lifting up.
No to jedziemy. Przysiady, brzuch napięty. Cofamy bioderko.
Anna invited us with her next episode at Morning with Ama, as she captioned it with, "So how long have you really lived?" As she's saying on her episode, "Hi, how old are you? If you to divide your years by months, by days, by hours, by minutes, by seconds, it would be a lot, wouldn't it?" Exactly so right. Now I have a question for you. How much in the time you really lived? PS.
Cześć. Ile masz lat? A jakby tak twoje lata podzielić przez miesiące, dni, godziny, minuty, sekundy? Dużo by wyszło, prawda? No właśnie. To teraz mam do ciebie pytanie. Ile w tym czasie tak naprawdę żyłaś? PS.
This is the first live in the books. Anna said to us, let me know if you found it useful. Write a heart in the comment if you want more. Hugging Ama and Elisa, it also asking us. Let us know if you were with us and if you want more.
Dzień dobry, drodzy
parę minut, tylko się ustawimy, on się rozgrzeje na bieżni, robię cardio. Za parę minut z Alicją zaczniemy na moim profilu live'a. Zapiszę go potem na jakiś czas. Pogadamy sobie trochę o tym, jak zdrowo żyć, jak trenować, żeby były efekty. No i zobaczycie, jak się męczę. Buziaki, do zobaczenia za chwilę.
Anat dobre fale means good waves.
Dzień dobry. Dobrze zaczynam dzień. Studia Dobre Fale, a o co chodzi, to już niebawem.
In this discussion of Anna, she said, "Wonderful Kate, thank you so much. And our conversation will be soon. It has been a great pleasure."
Dzień dobry, kobiece spotkanie. Piękna rozmowa.
No cudowna, to poznamy Amę w końcu taka, jaka jest, co?
Właśnie miałam taką możliwość, żeby, mam nadzieję, pokazać Wam się z tej innej strony i Kasia jest mistrzynią zadawania pytań i to chyba też tak jest, chyba, dla mnie na pewno, że jak spotkają się dwie wartościowe kobiety, które zdają sobie sprawę z własnej wartości, to inaczej też na siebie patrzą. Jest wymiana, siostrzeństwo i przede wszystkim taka wzajemność relacji.
Ja powiem Ci, że miałam okazję Ciebie poznać i postanowiłam, że postaram się pokazać innym to, jak ja Ciebie zobaczyłam. Więc zapraszamy już niedługo.
Zapraszam już.
Dobrze, że się nie oblałeś.
Something Anna want to tell us. I encourage you to explore the beautiful design Kate, the Bear Dreams.
Ucięło nam końcówkę, bo wlałam kawę.
Ale to są koszty prowadzenia biznesu. Cost of doing business, nie?
Chciałam Cię przytulić, bo się widzicie, ale tak to jest jak na szczęście.
Na szczęście.
Namarzy mi się.
In this post of Anna, I do believe and agree with you that elegance is the only beauty that never fades. As she attended the event of Denny Claire Milano, congratulations on the spring collection. Thank you for the invitation. To the team, thank you. Love. As elegance is a quality that blends simplicity, grace, and sophistication in a way that feels effortless. Incorporating elegance into your everyday life is about embracing a refined and sophisticated approach to your actions, choices, and environment. Elegance is a reflection of grace and kindness no matter you are rich or poor. You can choose to live an elegant and decent life. It's a matter of attitude. A round of applause for you, Simone, as you are invited to attend on this Milan Fashion Week for Mont Blanc. As with the saying, those who don't write will have lived only one life, their own. Writing is the painting of the voice. This Fashion Week theme, the tree of life, of culture, of writing, of transformation, the tree represented here made of books, of letters, of poems, made of paper, wants to be a vital symbol of writing, a symbol of culture, of transformation and creative beauty, designed and crafted by Edina's paper and presented at Milan Fashion Week 2025, where visitors can experience it. On this post of Simone in the Mont Blanc showroom for advertisement. In his Giorgio Armani Total look, he take breakfast with Mont Blanc for this Milan Fashion Week event. Hi! Hello, Simone! As to the iconic Sacred Heart, a timeless emblem of unconditional love and passion, adorns the distinctive design of the new devotion for men Eau de Parfum, the essence of passion battled. Devotion for men tells a story of love and seduction, gratitude and joy, an irresistible blend of contrasts. The rich aroma of coffee meets the zesty brightness of Italian lemon, grounded by the earthy depth of patchouli in Devotion for Men Eau de Parfum of Dolce & Gabbana. think you popped up for the photos? How artistic this iconic landmark building in this place in New York City. Am I right with it, Michele? A very good question, Michele. If I am not afraid, definitely I will explore life to gain more experiences. How about you guys? I do agree with you, Michele, that not all truth are for all ears, cause it will always be our choice to whom we want to open our life. But you are right also, Michele, that in our surroundings there are many prying eyes, so we always have to be careful with our actions. Basically, we have to take care of ourselves always as to what you are doing, Michele. This is the best, Michele, that is spiritually we should always remember to pray day and night. At last, we see in here Michele and 2 Feet music artists met already in New York. Take a look at here, guys. On the story of Michele last November 7, 2024, it said, "Mickey, you got me too." Or maybe that's a trip. Aha, the caption is so intriguing. And another one. "Hold my soul, Mickey." It's January 16, but it's dated January 17, 2025, and with another message of, "What about it? Should I?" What can you say, guys, about those captions of Michele on his story, if those are just plain messages or in real life it has a deeper meaning on it? This is the song of Michele that's soon to come out with the title of "You Are Unobtainable." We will all wait for it.
There's something about you, something I need you, that I can't breathe down. There's something about you, driving me crazy. I can't forget you. Oh, unobtainable, unobtainable. You. Oh, unobtainable, unobtainable, yeah, no.
Michele is enjoying, happy to see him, that he is visiting different places in New York. Like now, he is in Bronx, New York. Taking time for Ruba as she is making pizza. I would guess the kids craving for it. It seems Ruba and Michele have the same thinking in their mind as they posted the same story. True you are, Ruba, that lately it's your time from going to one place to another. Just always keep safe. Ruba is in Paris this time for an event as she is with the assistant to creative director of Elis Saab World. Here's a fan of Michele as she posts a photo of them saying, "Thank you for allowing me to have that photo with you. What a loving man." He said congratulations on my pregnancy and told me that my belly was beautiful. What a humble person, Michele. Elena Borovitska posts a photo of her and Michele for her throwback on the set with Michele last August 2024 in Milan, Italy. Who is Elena Borovitska? She is a producer and an art director. Michele, we are all excited on what you and 2 Feet music artist is cooking. We will all wait for it to be cooked.
The chorus, I need to absolutely shake it up. So, this time, your body, it's better to start like that. You know, absolutely. Okay.
good you need to concentrate.
I don't wanna be the best time. Your body's it's mine. You don't wanna be a superstar. Your body it's mine. Yeah, I need you.
Does the lyrics of your song, Michele, something to do with your personal life as it goes, I don't wanna be your last time. Your body's getting into my head. Is there a special someone whom you dedicate this new song of yours? Wow! Is there gonna be a duet from you, Michele, and from Two-Pit Music Artist?
I was thinking that for the idea, I don't want you to be my last time. Your body's getting into my head, like, this kind of things. Yeah, we can do first song. Yeah, no, I'm just telling you the idea. Okay, yeah. So you can make the dramatic idea,
Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 21 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. A strong relationship is created by how safe you make each other feel. It's by the loyalty that you show each other by not abandoning them or threatening to abandon them whenever things get difficult or your partner is struggling. Your partner doesn't want to suffer emotionally, and if they really love you, they don't want you to suffer because of them. It's not easy to communicate our feelings when we are upset or triggered, and so we will often say things that we will regret, which is why learning how to process your feelings and express them in a healthy and loving way is the best path to growing in love with your partner or for creating better friendship with others. Learning how to reframe your thoughts, feelings, and words is actually a huge part of your emotional development and growth and determines how successful you will be in your relationship. It's not about feeling responsible for anyone else, but sometimes we just need someone to say to us that they are not going anywhere and to hold us like they never want to let go. Sometimes we just need someone to show us how to not give up on ourselves. Sometimes we need someone to help us to learn how to love ourselves better. Love is knowing how to show up to each other. By Joel Clemons.